Hello students, as you are observing on screen today in this video and upcoming next videos we discuss about force and pressure. Under this heading we are going to discuss about motion. So we'll start this topic. Before starting motion we have to understand what is rest. In last class you already came to know that what is rest and what is motion. Once again I am revising about rest. What I am writing, it is not the definition but it is for your understanding the concept. All rest means what? Body is not changing its position with some special conditions. Means what? Let me write. Position of body does not changes does not changes means what? Does not changes, we have to take uh, some uh, support or some point. With respect to that point we check that whether the position is changed or not. So rest is a change of position of a body. Rest is occur when position of a body does not changes with respect to surrounding. We take some reference point from surrounding. With respect to surrounding we take some reference point. I am explaining this once again. Let me write first. Surroundings and with change of and with change of time. Remember, this is not the exact definition, this is only for your understanding. So see, in this case position of a body does not changes with respect to surrounding and with change of time. Suppose there are two bodies. Clear? This is a body A and another body is your B, and in between A and B there is a distance. Suppose this distance is your x meter or this distance is your x unit. We observe that A or B are not changing their position with respect to each other. We also take some other point, another reference point, and that reference point is point C, and this reference distance between A and C is your y, and distance between B and C is your y1. Clear? So we are observing that distance between A and C and B and C is always fixed, that is your y and y1 respectively. As we are observing, time is going on, time is changing, but with respect to this reference point A and B not changing their places, as well as not, if we take reference of A and B each other, their distance is fixed. Also distance between A and C and B and C is fixed. So it means A and B are in rest, they are not changing their position. This type of condition says the rest condition. In book it is given that when the position of a body with respect to its surrounding does not change with time, the body is said to be at rest. So this is the definition of rest. Now motion. Now we come to the motion. Motion is just opposite to this definition. Let me explain. I am going to change only some words of this thing and we discuss about motion. Now see, I erase some word from this and we can write position of a body changes. Position of body changes with respect to surroundings and with change of time. This type of condition is known as your motion. This type of condition is known as your motion. Now definition changes. Concept is change. Position of a body change with respect to surrounding and with change of time is known as your motion. By observing the same example, if we consider that this body A moves to this direction, downward direction, and this body moves to some upward direction. Previously or initially, the distance between A and C is y and B and C is y1, and in between A and B it is your x. Now suppose if this body shifts to this place, A is shifted at this place, C is constant, C is not moving. C is at this place and B moves to at this place. Clear? So distance between A and C from y changes to y minus A. Distance is decreased one. And distance between B and C, this one increased to y plus B. Also, distance between A and B increases. Suppose it's x plus p unit. And also time is also increasing. So we can say that position of a body changes with respect to surrounding C. And how we observe? We say that after some time, distance between A and C or B and C or A and B changes. It means body A and B is moving. As we compare with C, C is not moving. Only A and B are in motion. So they changes their places. So hope this one is clear that what is rest and what is motion. Now we are moving to the next topic, that rest and motion are interrelative or rest and motion are related terms. Let's discuss that topic. As we know that rest and motion are opposite to each other. In rest we don't change the position with respect to surrounding and with change of time, but in motion we change the position with respect to surrounding and with respect to with change of time. But in this statement it says that rest and motion are relative terms. Rest and motion are relative terms, means they are interlinked with each other. How? Let's discuss some example. Suppose we are traveling in a bus. Clear? Suppose we are traveling in a bus. This is your bus. Bus is moving. I am not drawing the exact figure. And in bus you are sitting at this place. Clear? This is, say it's me, name point A. Clear? And with A I have some co-passengers and drivers. This is my driver D, and here it's a gate. Clear? And I have some co-passengers C and co-passenger B. Now bus is moving in this direction. Clear? Outside the bus, we have some reference point. One is tree, clear, tree T, and some tea stall is there. Also, one person is standing in front of the stall, and bus is moving. That vehicle, this is moving in this direction, driver is moving. Now this is me. Clear? As we look inside and we compare ourselves from the co-passenger, we see that distance between me and co-passenger are fixed, or distance between driver and other co-passenger are fixed. Means with respect to co-passenger, I am in rest position. With respect to co-passenger, hope this one is visible for you. Co-passenger, it is not visible for you, so let me rub this side. With respect to co-passenger, A, and me is at rest, Clear? On the same time, when A see outside the window, it observed that tree, this person and this stall are moving backside, or appear to move backside. What does it means? That distance between A and T, A and stall and this person P is changes. So with respect to outside, with respect to object outside the bus, A is in motion. A is in motion. Why? It changes the distance. Clear? So these two conditions clear. On the same time, if A check the position with B and C, A observe that A is at rest, and same time if A see the surrounding outside the bus, A is in motion. So whenever we change the reference point or we change the surrounding, we change the condition of rest and motion. That's why we can say that whenever there is a rest, there is a motion. With respect to one point, a body is at rest, and with respect to some other point, is a body is at motion. Same for the second thing example. If we take some planet. Let me draw some figure and rub this one. In second example, I am taking our planet Earth, which is revolving the around sun. Path is not perfectly drawn. Just for your reference point, just for your clearing the concept, Earth is moving around the sun. Now we have two person. One person P standing on Earth, and other person Q is in satellite. Clear? If P sees itself from the surrounding on the Earth, P says that, oh no, I am on rest position, because P is not moving on the surface of the Earth, and with respect to some surrounding or some reference point that present on Earth, P is at rest position. but on the same time Q see that though earth E is moving, so similar on the same time this person P is also moving along with the earth. Q take the reference point outside the earth, it's a sun, but person P see the reference point which is on the planet E. So with respect to the surrounding on the planet E, P is at rest on this, but with respect to some other reference point, say sun, P is also moving along with the earth. So on the same time a body, an object is at rest or at motion with different reference point. That is why we are saying that rest and motion are related terms. So hope this one is clear to you. In next video we'll discuss types of motion. Under this we discuss various types of motion. Till now all of you read these three topics we'll discuss in this video from book. That's all for today. Thank you.